clumsy, yeah, my head's a mess, 'cause you got me growing taller every day. We're giants in a little man's world. My heart is pumping up so big that
Group video.
Really? Are you?
Yep.
Around.
What are you doing the newsletter still?
Change the mission statement.
Stuzy, mate. Stubbity, stubbity.
Potato.
Potato!
Oh my god.
Ireland!
Stop. You're doing multiple.
School.
I'll read off.
School.
Newsletter.
What are you doing? It's gonna be a group video, just us screaming potato.
Get the fuck out of my face. Ladle.
Sorry.
My only memory of
We should take more video.
Who's walking on the presentation?
Me and Emily, Emily, but no, I'm trying.
You three, the speaker should walk on the presentation.
Eli's doing the. I have too much shit to do.
Okay,
Wait.
come on.
Stop.
Gordon, stop raping people.
She was swearing at me.
Can I have a look at it? What if I just put it this way? Maybe not. What are we doing? How did you get this thing?
I knew it. Oh shit, oh, my break, actually. I was like, what the fuck, man?
Turn it off!
We're taking a video?
Yeah.
Hi, Jingy. Hi, Jingy's
What the fuck
friends.
did I just hear?
Ni hao.
谢谢。不客气。
Hey Eli.
Time out.
Hi Eli. I'm videoing your wife.
There's so much of this WBNC shit.
The CEO.
Listen, eligibility to Now, here you see is the quarterly income statement. I chose, I'm demonstrating to you year 1, quarter 1, year 2, quarter 4, because year 2, quarter 4 is the first quarter that we start getting rent. So after almost 2 years, I expect my mom will be tired of us printing out stuff in our basement. So we'll move into a warehouse as we scale up to size, and that difference can be seen with the price difference in purchase expenses. This is shit. I have to, because it's
I'm clumsy, yeah, my head's a mess, 'cause you got me growing taller every day. We're giants